Good Friday morning. This is 106.1 KYVZ. Joe Vazurek visiting with Ag Meteorologist Chris Schromick at Decision Weather Now, as well as WeatherValet. Chris, moisture fell last night and continues to have some light precipitation across the region this morning.
Yeah, Joe, we saw pretty nice rainfalls through the entire night. We continue to see this wrap-around precipitation here this morning as that upper-level low is now moving pretty much along that Oklahoma border into southeastern Kansas. This will continue to bring rainfall across the area through the morning and slowly taper off from southwest to northeast here during the afternoon hours. We can expect an additional quarter to a half inch of precipitation from the west to the east, on top of the half inch that we received up in on Highway 36, Kansas-Nebraska border, up to an inch and a half as you went to areas southeast over in Gove County and south of I-70. This will continue to move off to the east and through the state of Kansas here today, and we'll be looking at a nice warm-up tomorrow ahead of another system Sunday and Monday that could bring another half inch and inch of rain to the area. So getting rainfall this time of year, that type of amounts, is definitely something that we typically do not see. We start talking about winter systems as we head into December. It does look like we'll have that cold air come down with the middle of the week and with the system. However, it isn't going to tap that Arctic or polar air. That looks like it's going to stay up along the Canadian border, Great Lakes states to our north areas in the higher elevations of the mountains and Wyoming, those places, and will be more seasonal. So when we have that colder temperatures that will come in here the middle of next week, we're looking at temperatures in the 40 to 45 degree range, maybe getting up to 50 on Thanksgiving, or at least the upper 40s. And overnight low temperatures will be right around 20. We won't be talking the single digits, the teens, and the 20s for highs that were potentially there if that system on the next couple of systems grabbed that air and pulled it down over the central parts of the country. So that's good news, but it's still going to get chillier and colder. We still got a system post-Thanksgiving, the set weekend after Thanksgiving, the first day of December, that does look like it could bring rain and snow across the state of Kansas. Out there this morning, we got 39 being reported in Burlington, Colby, and Oberlin. We got 40 in Goodland and Cook. We got a northeast breeze at 15 miles per hour. Light rain still falling, so it is chilly and gloomy out there, and that will continue through the morning. We don't expect these temperatures to change a whole lot through the afternoon. They'll probably be in those lower 40s. Tonight, when the skies clear out, we will drop below freezing, so any wet surfaces, particularly those bridges and anything elevated, could get a little bit slick, have a little bit of ice on them, something that we need to take monitor and take precautions for. Tomorrow, the sun will come out. The winds will turn to a southwesterly direction at 5 to 15 miles per hour. Temperatures will top out in the upper 50s, low 60s. So it will be the nicest day in the forecast. Overnight lows will be in the upper 30s, and west-northwesterly breezes and southwesterly winds pretty much predominantly through the day. Then we got Sunday, Monday, Tuesday. We've got a system that'll come through there. Sunday afternoon, we'll start to see rain showers. That'll go into Monday morning. That could see that half inch to the inch like we were talking about. Temperatures in that 50 to 55 degree range. Overnight lows will be in the upper 30s. Monday morning, drop into the upper 20s when it's clearing out. Tuesday morning. Then Tuesday, Wednesday, a system will move through the northern plains. That'll make the winds gusty from the north at 20 to 30 miles per hour. We'll see our temperatures in the lower 40s, maybe middle 40s. Overnight lows in the upper teens, low 20s. We're going to go 48 on Thanksgiving, a seasonal typical day. 52 on Friday, and then we got that next system we'll be watching starting, looks like late Saturday, Sunday, over the weekend, post-Thanksgiving, and Monday, where we could have that potential rain and snow event.
Once again, that's Ag Meteorologist Chris Schromick at Decision Weather and Outward, as well as WeatherValet for 106.1 KYVZ. I'm Joe Vazurek.